Your Lordship, I beg to mention for listing of a matter tomorrow, Lordship. It was filed on last Thursday, Lordship.
Motion.
Lordship. Not a minute.
Yes. Meet please, your lordships. My lords, with my most sincere apologies, my lords, I beg to mention item number 4 to 11, my lords. On behalf of IOC, my lords, I have taken the consent from all the councils, my lords.
My lord, may I fix a date? Because in advance circulation, a notice was also circulated, my lord. Lord, sir.
Yes, you agree on a date,
3rd or 10th, my lord, whichever is convenient.
but we'll release it from Pathak.
My lord will not do that.
Hmm?
My lord may kindly not do
No,
that.
there are reasons. We have to release it from Pathak now. It may not be possible for me to hear this matter.
My lords, third only,
Huh?
this coming Tuesday, my lords.
I'm
Lordship-
telling you, there may be some other difficulties. So you agree on a date, but let it be released from Pathak. Otherwise, it will not serve any purpose.
My lord, in that case, my lord, may I only pray that, my lord, if the bench is otherwise available, then maybe on a date like that.
Mr.
T does, my lords.
T Das.
T does.
T Das.
Yes, my lords.
T for Tinsukia. T Das. T.
Yes, my lord, Tinsukia.
Mr. T Das, Learned Counsel appearing for the IOCL authority. 6. Adjournment of the hearing of these matters with a request to post the same again on
3rd.
3rd of June 2025. Mr. B. Decker, Learned B.D. Decker, Learned Counsel for the writ petitioner is present and does not have any objection to the said prayer. He has, however, requested for expeditious hearing and disposal of this writ petition, taking note of the submissions made at the bar. These matters, hearing of these matters stand adjourned till 3/6/2025. List accordingly.
Obliged. Lordship, I beg to mention for listing, lords. Kindly it may be listed.
Listing for what?
Lordship,
Listing for what?
listing of WPC.
You
Motion,
want
motion.
listing for what? Motion?
Motion made.
Motion?
Yes.
Yes.
Lordship may take up item number 27, my lord. That is the new one.
Yes.
But here, my lord, we have challenged the new modified speaking order at page 86, my lord.
Hmm.
My lord, this has been modified.
Page 86.
86, my lord.
Hmm.
They have modified the order dated to 35. In this, my lord, speaking order, my lord, they have just changed some paragraphs, my lord. Remaining others are same, my lord. They have quoted the rule 25. At page 86, my lord, last paragraph. Both the speaking order says the same thing, my lord. And my lord, if a lordship see at page 87 at para 3, the personnel department clarifies that there is no provision for relaxation of the upper age limit for entry into state government service other than that is provided in OM's number so and so dated so and so. My lord, when there is a rule,
So at this stage, will issue notice?
my lord,
Will issue notice?
my lord.
What? But Mr. S.P. Das, the counsel for the petitioner, peruse the amendments made in the writ petition. The order dated 5/5/2025, issued by the Commissioner and Secretary to the Government of Assam Fishery Department, rejecting the prayer of the petitioner for relaxation of his upper age limit for participating in the recruitment process in question. The instant writ petition has been filed. Mr. Das submits that the impugned order is vitiated by complete non-application, arbitrariness and non-application of mine. Mr. P. Sharma, Learned Standing Counsel for Fisheries Department, has however prayed for some time to obtain instruction in the matter. Issue notice of motion returnable on when? Tell me when?
After 3 weeks.
After
3 weeks.
after 3 weeks,
My lord, document may protect me, my lord.
what protection?
My lord, protection in a sense, my lord, since the, sorry, my lord, since your lordship's order is there in case 76,
What protection you want?
my lord, I may be allowed to participate.
That will not be permissible
Madam,
under the law.
My lord, let my candidature be kept in a field cover, my lord.
We can only say it will be subject to outcome. Selection process will be subject to.
I'll
final
will
outcome.
proceed then, madam. But there are 65 numbers of posts, and I was working since 2000, my last 8 years. Just before the publication of this impune advertisement, they have closed the project. Just 1 month before, madam. Only to deprive me, madam.
So and so returnable on that date, Diok. 23rd of June 2025. Since Mr. Sharma has appeared and accepted notice for all the respondent numbers 1 to 4, is it?
Yes, Lord.
1 to 4.
1 to 4.
Mr. J.K. Goswami, Learned Additional Senior Government Advocate Assam for respondent number 5, and Ms. P. Sharma, Learned Counsel, assisting Mr. T.J. Mahanta, Learned Senior Counsel for the respondent number 6, PSC. Service of notice is deemed to be complete in this case. Extra copies of the read petition be furnished to the Learned Departmental Council, requisite in numbers, so as to enable them to obtain instruction. Heard on the prayer of interim relief, the said prayer will be considered on the returnable date. It is, however, made clear that any action taken in the recruitment process in question shall be subject to the final order passed in this read petition. Office to list the matter along with WPC number 2348 of 2025.
And I will be allowed to submit my documents, madam, at least hard copies, madam. That may be done,
You
madam.
have a very, very weak case.
Weak
Because
case,
this
madam.
is all it's
But,
just
madam-
that unless it is a case of malafide, it will be upheld.
But they are, madam, relying on OM. When there is a rule, madam, they cannot.
You
They rule it,
force
yeah.
them to relax your age limit. This is a discretionary power.
Yes, madam, discretionary power is there.
Don't give any hope to your client.
No, I'm not hoping, madam. I'm only on the lordship, because mercy before the lordship, that I worked in the department for 8 years, my lord. And thus, before publication of this impugn advertisement, they have closed my project. And my they have come up with this, my lord, advertisement, my lord. That is my case, my lord.
I understand. I understand the grievance of your client. But these matters are strictly in the domain of the authorities.
The domain in the authority,
For any reason, they may not like to give you the relaxation.
but that should be a justified order, my lord.
That's the
It's
only thing
not-
we'll
it's not
consider.
justified order,
If you
my
succeed,
lord.
they will be asked to reconsider your application. They may still reject it.
My lord.
So unless they
And
agree,
lordship, my lord, kindly give you 1 minute, my lord. Just a minute, my lord. My lordship, I want to show your lordship one judgment of this honorable court, my lord.
yes.
Only, my lord. And this order was passed by Honorable N. Koteshwar Singh on 2/4/2019. But this order says that at page 72, if the rule is silent about the relaxation of age in respect of certain candidates, it does not mean that the authority is devoid of any power to relax the upper age limits. The power to relax the service condition is inherent with the appointing authority. Some of this power is expressed by a publication of rule or OM, as the case may be. However, it does not mean that in absence of any publication of rule, the authority does not have the power to relax the service condition or service rule, madam. Hello.
He said that you wait. At the moment, you don't have a case, but I'm sure when they come with their affidavit,
Hello.
they will create a case for you. Wait for till then. Right now, these judgments can be dealt with easily. Have patience. That's all you can do right now. The moment they obtain instruction and file affidavit, then you will get a right. That I'm sure. Mr. Sharma will give you that opportunity. Is it not?
Not in.
Ma'am,
See here, one
we are
So many times it is the respondent, till the respondents open their mouth, petitioner has no case. Moment the respondent opens mouth.
But
Oh,
they
a
have
strong
opened their mouth by this speaking, madam.
they will also give you a chance. Wait.
Sorry, one more thing. Lordship, they have not made party to the personal department, Lordship.
Why not?
Yes. Respondent number 5.
Person,
We have not seen the petition properly.
Yeah.
ASEAN,
That's-
sir, not represented by.
So I told you, na. The moment to come, they'll get a chance.
Lord.
We have already started giving them a chance.
Lord.
Wait.
Oh.
They'll give you a chance. Yes.
No, Lord, I don't think it's a case, Lord.
Huh?
I don't think they will have it.
You want to
I will
argue
not give
today?
that much chance.
You want to argue today?
No, Lordship. On that day, I will not give
On that
chance.
day.
Why in the morning you're saying, my lord, you should don't be a president. You say this.
Not the Lordship. I will
You
not give
make
chance.
your stand, then you will know whether they have a case or not.
Yes,
Right now, no clue to you. You
No.
come up with your stand.
Lordship.
Yes.
May please, your lordship. Lordship,
Yeah.
in this case, it's my verbal instruction. Yes, lordship, they have applied in 2015 after the date of the petitioner. He had already accepted his resignation. Although he was absent from service from 2004 and he has submitted his resignation in 2006, lordship. And from 2006, he was never came to the office nor he has drawn his salary also, lordship. But in 2014, but whatever, I don't know, the department has perhaps misplaced his resignation or what, I don't know. In 2014, again, they have submitted their resignation again, that they have the department requesting the department to accept his resignation from 2006. That was also, they have delayed, it's a part of the department, lordship. They have, after date of the petitioner, department has retrospectively accepted his resignation. That is the verbal instruction, lordship.
Rectify it now. You cannot accept resignation of a dead person.
Lordship, lordship,
Correct.
may kindly give me 2 days time. I will file my additional affidavit. It is the verbal instruction only.
What additional affidavit, my lord? Already.
Also, you
I
can't
want to
stop
write
him
it
from filing.
writing, lordship. It is on verbal
Mr.
resignation.
B.M. Degal, counsel for the petitioners, also heard read petitioner. Huh? Also heard Miss M. Kotokil, and standing counsel for the
Animal husbandry and
Animal
veterinary
Husbandry and
department.
Veterinary Department, who submits that she has received some instructions and therefore be allowed to place the same by filing additional affidavit. Prayer is allowed. Registry to list this matter again in the next week as a fixed item. The affidavit, additional affidavit on behalf of the department, be positively brought on record during the course of this
My
week.
lord, may I pray one thing, my lord? The submission she has newly brought, already it is brought in record, my lord. In their affidavit, my lord. The absence, my lord,
No, lordship.
they could not
What is their
trace
stance?
it.
How they could accept the resignation of
Yes,
a dead
Lord.
person? What have they said on this ground?
Nothing, my lord.
Then wait. That's why.
Obliged, lordship.
Much obliged.
You are appearing in this case. R.K. Talukdar for respond number. Mr. Naik for
Item number 2, Lord.
6. Yes.
May I please, your lordship, my lord?
My lord, in this case, lordship, one relevant notification is there, lordship. Government of Assam, lordship, took a decision in the year 2012-13, I think, lordship, wherein a decision was taken not to engage sweepers on permanent basis, instead outsource the services of sweepers, lordship. So I want to place their notification, lordship. Today I could not find out, lordship. I'm praying for just 3 days, 4 days time, lordship. That notification is
My lord,
relevant.
my humble submission before your lordship, my lord, that is the exact, my lord, position of the
That is the
Jaggu case.
Jaggu case because of
the
that case,
Honorable
lordship.
Apex Court, where the notification can override the judgment of the Apex Court, my lord.
Their situation is.
So you are saying he should not be given time to file the additional affidavit.
Only because of the, your lordship kindly peruse the last order. I am not saying that. Tomorrow they again said something, man. That is my humble submission.
I'm just placing that notification, not even praying for filing an affidavit.
This happened. Tomorrow, today said, tomorrow another prayer will come. Because last order your lordship said. Your lordship kindly go to the last order.
So let him file it, then we'll deal with it.
Absolutely.
Court, if I pass a judgment without giving him a
Yes,
chance,
yes,
he'll go to the division bench and get
Yes,
it
that is
satisfied.
correct, my lord. But
What can
my
be
lord,
done?
if all the notification, all the things, they shall brought before the court on the next date, my lord. Otherwise, when
Just
I
one
started my case,
notification.
whatever.
But I'm not even praying for.
Notification or not, we don't know, but additional affidavit.
Yes, my
How much time you
But
want?
I'll place the notification only. Affidavit
lord.
also.
Additional evidence.
Whatever you want.
Lordship.
But you will file, we'll give you leave to file an additional affidavit.
Lordship.
What will be the content of the affidavit? We need not write it in the order.
Lordship.
It's not.
So that is for you to decide. But after that, what he is apprehending is that you will come up one after another objection, this
No.
notification, that is causing problem for the petitioner.
That is not
So
correct.
that apprehension has to be dispelled.
We have already filed affidavit, that's number 4.
And Mr. Naik, you are appearing for whom?
For finance department, Lordship. Right.
You are
Respond number
appearing for
2.
whom? Huh?
Respond number 2, Lordship.
And Mr. Chutia?
4.
We heard Mr. NNB Chaudhary, learned counsel appearing for the writ petitioner. Also heard Mr. P. Naik, learned additional AG, bracket finance, bracket close Assam, representing the respondent number 2, who submits that there is a government notification which will have a crucial bearing in the outcome of the writ petition, and therefore he be permitted a week's time to file the aforesaid notification in the form of an affidavit.
Lordship.
Mr. T.C. Chutia, learned additional senior government advocate Assam, appearing on behalf of the respondent number 4, submits that affidavit on behalf of the state has already been filed. Responding to the above, Mr. NNB Chaudhary, learned counsel for the petitioner, submits that the repeated opposition made by the respondents, citing availability of one notification or the other, has caused serious prejudice to the interest of his client. Therefore, the matter be taken up for expeditious disposal. After considering the submissions made at the bar, the respondent number 2 is granted 1 week's time to file additional affidavit, registry to list this case again immediately on filing the additional affidavit or after expiry of 1 week, whichever is earlier.
Obliged, Lordship.
Yes. So affidavit has been filed.
Lordship filed.
Where is the, you have received copy?
Just now.
You will require some time to examine.
Naturally. Naturally.
How much time will you require? 1 week?
Let it, yes, let it be on 9th or 11th.
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 All right. Mr. H. Raman and senior counsel appearing for the writ petitioner submits that copy of the affidavit filed by the respondent number,
Lordship, one Lordship.
respondent number 1, in terms of the order dated 21/5/2025 passed by this court, has been served upon him only this morning, and therefore
They have to produce the bill today, Lordship, as per instruction that they have prepared a bill, Lordship wanted to see the bill. But
you filed
don't
a
bill.
and therefore 1 week's time, therefore 2 weeks' time is required to obtain instruction and file rejoinder. Mr. J.K. Goswami, learned additional senior government advocate Assam, and Mr. P. Nayak, learned standing counsel finance department Assam, are present. On the request of Mr. Rahman, this matter is directed to be listed again on 11th of June
11.
as a fixed item.
Lordship. Lordship.
My lord, there are good news around, my lord.
Sorry,
There are good news floating around, my lord.
good news, bad news, don't know, but hearing will not be possible.
No, well, it's a very short matter. My lord, may I place a decision? The petitioner is claiming, my lord, notion.
Because hearing is not proper.
My lord,
It is not proper to hear matters now. What to do?
he is claiming, my lord, notional promotion for retirement benefits, and the law is settled.
Let us see.
What happened, my lord? There was an advertisement in 2015 for the post of promotion for the post of Sadar Head Assistant.
Hmm.
And my lord, the selection was not held. It was held in 2019, my lord. On 29th of November, it was held, and on 30th, my lord, He has retired in spite of the recommendation.
Just a minute, let me. So this is a part-heard matter.
In fact, my lord.
This is a
the last-
part-heard matter.
Yes.
Then I'll,
Question.
then I'll hear it. If it has been heard already, then I'll. So can you give me the dates, please?
Yes, my lord. The advertisement was issued for promotion to the post of Sadar Head Assistant on 20th of June 2015, 26, 2015.
Yes.
The selection committee met on
Which
29th
page is the advertisement? Page
My-
number?
That is at page, my lord, page 21. Then my lord, selection committee met only in my lord on 29/11/2019. Your lordship finds at page 28. He was recommended, my lord, that's serial number 1. But on the next day, my lord, that is 30th of November 2019, he retired. The only submission, my lord, that we have made in the petition is that had they acted immediately, my lord, in 2015 or the day prior, my lord, he would have got the benefit.
Hmm.
Now, my lord, the law that, my lord, after the retirement. I have to be honest. my lord.
Let it go after vacation. I think we'll release it from part-heard. Heard Mr. M.K. Chaudhary, learned senior counsel for the petition. Also heard Mr. T.C. Sutia, learned additional senior government advocate. Uh, Let this writ petition be listed again for hearing after the ensuing summer vacation. This matter shall not be treated as part-heard before this court any further. If he would have come before his retirement, thing would have been very different.
But they were not only 29th, he was recommended 30th, he retired.
That's correct. But till 29, he did not do anything.
19th, my lord.
If the committee had met,
On 29th of November, my lord, and 30th, he retired.
that's right. So his cause of action was there, but he has approached the court after retirement. So I think there are some decisions which does not permit this kind of benefits.
Take one.
Yes, 12 to 17 have been adjourned. Yes.
Kindly pass over the matter for time being.
My lord, maybe
Huh?
she's paying for time being, madam.
Time being.
We'll have it next week. This week will not be possible. The learned counsel for the respond number,
In item number 13 and 14, I am the petitioner, lordship. And
Ms. R. Kakoti, learned counsel appearing for the petitioner in item 13 and 14.
14, lordship.
And the respondent, private respondents in item
12 and 15.
12 and 15. 6, accommodation before the court today on the ground that her senior, that is the arguing counsel engaged in this case, is busy in another court. In view of the above and as in view of the above, let the hearing of this matter stand adjourned for 2 weeks. List again in the week commencing for hearing in the week commencing from 16th of June 2025. Yes.
I think.
One of them, like, interims continue.
Hmm.
The persons are out of, most of the petitioners, other petitioners, they are being sought to be terminated. So,
Mr. Majumdar, I will not be able to hear and deliver judgments in these cases for reasons which I don't want to disclose. You have an option of seeking it posting next week before another bench, in which case I'll have to release it from part-heard, or it will automatically get released. Beyond that, I can't say.
understand, my lord,
You can choose.
I was only praying that wherever interims are there, my lord, that can be continued. It will be on June.
Interim orders operating in these cases.
Yes.
I was
Chaudhary-
prepared to argue the matter, my lord.
Yeah, but may not be possible right now.
Okay.
A matter has to be heard, then judgment has to be delivered.
Yes, yes. But the only thing is, my lord, I think lordship will have to first hear this, the director's case. Then if your lordship has the other two matters, then it will be, my lord, I think in the fitness of things.
I was wondering whether you would like these matters to be released from part heard and posted.
No, no,
because
no. Let it
For,
be here.
for operational reasons, it may not be possible for this court to hear.
Oh. 16 June. Okay. Okay, lordship, release the matter.
What do you want, up to you?
No, no, let it be here. Operational reasons could be there, that we also, we are also foreseeing.
Operational reasons are there.
Now, we have come to know after coming to the
So
court
therefore,
today,
without causing any
inconvenience.
inconvenience to you and what is the best way out? Tell us. Can't say more than
True.
this.
No, that's a practical way of looking at it. Huh?
I have to first deliver judgments in the matters I have heard.
Okay, lordship will have it in the week commencing from 16. We'll see, my lord.
Interim orders operating shall continue till the next date.
Deep problem.
Interim order asile, item 12.
My lord,
There is also item.
interim order in the other case also.
12 and 13 also, Lord.
Yeah, wherever it is
Ah,
operating.
okay.
Lordship. Take the Lordship. Lordship, could this matter be passed over for the time being, Lordship?
On the prayer of Miss A. Begum,
And Begum.
M. Begum, learned counsel for the petitioner. Hearing of this matter stands passed over. None appears for the petitioner on call. Matter stands adjourned. Hearing of the matter stands adjourned for 4 weeks. Yes. Yes. Adjourned. Same order.
Can you pass over this matter for?
Paid for by petitioner's counsel. Matter stands adjourned for 2 weeks. Miss B. Sharma, learned CGC, is present on behalf of the respondent. Anything you want to say?
No, no, Lordship.
Hmm.
Obliged. 22. 22.
But it may be passed over, my lord.
Paid for by petitioner's counsel. Hearing of the matter stands passed over. Miss L. Devi, learned CGC, is present on behalf of the respondents. You are also appearing, both of you?
Obliged.
Yes.
25.
Ready for disposal, sir.
I won't be able to hear matters right now because some judgments have to be delivered. And there
The
is,
date may be, my lord, in the
when do you want it? On the
in the month
request of
of
Mr.
June, my lord.
Prokastal and counsel for the petitioner.
17th of June.
Let this writ petition be listed for hearing again on 17th of June 2025. Mr. J.K. Goswami, learned additional senior government advocate,
1 to
Assam,
6.
and Ms. P. Sharma, learned standing counsel. APSC appearing for the
No, Lordship.
then
Private response.
respondent number 7 are present.
Plan.
Take a chance.
Supplementary is for very.
Yeah, Lordship, I am holding the brief for item 30, Lordship.
My colleague Neog hold the brief for item 29. She has filed an affidavit extra lordship, item 29. So let it be listed after who is three weeks.
None appears for the writ petitioner when the matter is called up before this court. Mr. N. Upadhyay, Learned Standing Counsel for Irrigation
Lordship.
Department, Assam is present on behalf of the respondents. Since the petitioner's counsel is absent today, let this matter be listed again after 2 weeks by tagging the affidavit.
Filed by in item number 29, lordship, one
filed
on
in
29,
item
22.
29 by the department.
Lord, oblige.
That's it? Yes?
It is time being. Well, I'm sorry, my lord, I was wrongly informed.
Yes? Anything? You are ready, but readiness has to be from both sides.